humans built a town on the moon using real physics and future technology. This video explores how a lunar city could survive in one of the harshest environments in the universe. Building a town on the moon is not simple, but it is possible if we solve some major problems. The moon has no air, no natural protection, very high radiation, extreme temperatures, and weak gravity. So to live there, humans must use science and technology in smart ways. But the first question is, where should we build the town? We know that building on the surface of the moon is dangerous because of radiation and small space rocks. Therefore, the safest choice is to build under the moon's surface. The moon's soil, called regolith, can block radiation and protect people from extreme heat and cold. Now, the next challenge is construction. Sending building materials from Earth would cost too much money. Instead, humans can use moon soil itself. Moon soil can be heated and turned into strong building material. For this purpose, large 3D printers can be used, so houses and tunnels can be built directly on the moon. Now, let's move to the next step. A moon town also needs electricity. We know that one day on the moon lasts about 14 Earth days, which means there is a lot of sunlight. Solar panels can collect this sunlight and turn it into energy. Extra energy can be stored and used during the long lunar night. Now we come to water and air, which are necessary for life. Scientists have found water ice in dark areas of the moon. This ice can be melted into drinking water. Water can also be split into oxygen for human breathing and hydrogen for fuel. In this way, both air and water can be produced on the moon. Now comes another challenge. The moon's gravity is much weaker than Earth's gravity, and this can make human bones and muscles weak. To solve this problem, living areas can be designed to rotate. This rotating movement creates artificial gravity, which helps people stay healthy. Now comes another important question. How will humans get food on the moon? The moon has no soil and no rain, so normal farming is not possible. To solve this problem, plants can be grown using water, special lights, and recycled air. These farms can be built underground and can provide fresh food for people living there. So, when all these systems work together, such as protection, construction, energy, air, water, gravity, and food, a moon town becomes possible. This is not a dream or science fiction. It is based on real science and physics. This is how humans could live on the moon. This is how physics helps us build a town beyond Earth. Welcome to Physics Meets Imagination.